Hi guys, this is Ava from Pearl Lemon, and I am going to be teaching you how to draft a letter before action in just 10 easy steps. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. Firstly, it's essential to convey a clear and assertive message while providing relevant details about the issue at hand. So, step number 1, gather your information. Before starting the letter, ensure you have all relevant information about the dispute, including dates, events, and any communication related to the matter. Step 2. Format the letter. Use a formal business letter format. Just as you see here, I have a template for you guys to see. This basically shows you what a letter before action would look like potentially. You want to include your name, address, date, the recipient's name, and their address, as well as a subject line that clearly states the purpose of the letter. As you see here, this is going to be your information, as well as the recipient's information, and then you're going to want to briefly describe the matter right here. Now, step number 3. You want to begin with a formal salutation and a clear statement of your intent. For example, Dear Mr. John Doe, as you see here. That takes us to step number 4. Provide a summary. Offer a brief but comprehensive overview of the issue. Include your key dates and events and specify any attempts made to resolve the matter amicably. Right here. Step number 5, the legal basis. Mention the legal basis for your claim. This could involve referencing relevant laws, contracts, as well as agreements. You want to keep the section concise and to the point as possible. Step number 6, state your position. Clearly express your position and what you expect from the recipient. So, be specific about the actions you want them to take to resolve the issue. And that takes us to step number 7. Set a deadline. Specify a reasonable time frame for the recipient to respond or rectify this situation. The typical deadline is 14 days, but this can vary depending on the circumstances. And then step 8, mention the legal action. You want to articulate that you are prepared to initiate legal proceedings if the matter is not resolved within the given time frame. Note that legal costs and interest may be incurred as a result. Don't forget that. Step number 9, offer alternative dispute resolution. Express a willingness to engage in alternative dispute resolution methods, such as mediation, to resolve the matter without going to court. And lastly, step 10, the closing. Conclude the letter with a formal closing and your full name. For example, yours sincerely, Pearl Lemon Family. Now, I know I said there are 10 steps, but there are 2 more steps that I do want to include. It's nothing that hectic. It's just that we want to also show the professionalism of it all, but also make sure that the letter is perfect. So step number 11, you want to attach the relevant documents. If there are any supporting documents, mention them in the letter and also attach the copies. And then step 12, proofread. Before sending the letter, carefully proofread it to ensure clarity, accuracy, as well as professionalism. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I hope it really helps. But other than that, take care and bye-bye.